Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you how to make egg-free, cane sugar-free banana bread today. So what you need for your recipe is 2 large or 3 medium ripened bananas, 240 grams of flour, 20 dates soaked overnight. Do not strain the liquid, you need it. Half cup of whole milk. You can use semi-skim milk, I've never tried it. 75 to 80 grams of unsalted butter, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Madagascar vanilla. You can use any other vanilla. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of grated or desiccated coconut, a handful of dark chocolate chips, bread tin, and parchment paper. Now this is what you need to do. Wash your hands first of all, very important. Chop the dates, set aside. It should be squishy at this point. Sorry if you have sensitivities, maybe wear gloves or use a fork to hold the dates in place. Mash the bananas in a bowl, combine with previously chopped dates. Add milk, add vanilla, add 1/8 cups of the liquid from the dates. So I'll call it dates juice. Mix together with the same fork. Pour in the pre-measured flour. Next, baking powder. Next, baking soda. And then next, your salt. Combine all. Now at this point, you switch on your oven to the fan setting at 180 degrees Celsius and set the timer for 45 minutes. Then you put the coconuts into the bowl. So you mix the coconut into the bowl of the other things. Line your bread tin with parchment paper. Pour the bread mix from the bowl into the bread tin. Bang the bread tin on the counter or shake it so it spreads. You can use a fork for this step, but I like to just heat it on the table so I can feel something. Sprinkle the dark chocolate onto the surface and pop in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, reduce the heat to about 165 degrees Celsius for the rest of the time or until the toothpick comes out clean. And voila, you've made egg-free, cane sugar-free banana bread. Let me know how it goes. Bye.